Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create and set up Spring Boot application. So let's get started. Let me search here Spring Initializr. The project we have Maven, language Java, Spring Boot version that will be by default 3.5.5. Project metadata where we have the artifact, collaborative, whiteboard, backend, packaging that will be a jar, Java version 17. Now I'm going to add here the dependencies. We first the dependency for Spring Web, second for WebSockets. Now let's click on the generate button. As you can see, the project generated successfully. Let me unzip this. Let me open this folder inside the IntelliJ IDE. So as you can see, the package for SRC. Inside this, we have the package for main. Inside the main, we have two packages, Java and the resources. Inside the Java, I'm going to create a new folder inside this. So the first folder that for config, second for controller, third for model. As you can see, the main file of our Spring Boot application. Let me open here the pom.xml file. As you can see, the tag for dependencies, where we have the dependency for Spring Web, Spring Boot started WebSocket, and the Spring Boot starter test. Now I'm going to run the Spring Boot application. As you can see, our Spring Boot application started successfully on the port 8080. That's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.